Hi, welcome to Tuesday Kitchen, and today we're doing brisket tacos. I've already smoked and chopped up the brisket. Now I got all my ingredients and getting ready to prepare my family our famous brisket tacos. All right, got the cilantro, I got the chopped up brisket meat, and I got our cheese, I got our shells, and the most important, make sure they are flour tortilla butter shells. I got my butter chopped, I got my flat iron ready. And as you can see, I've already made two of them. Our famous brisket tacos. So good. Inside, see the cheese melted with the cilantro. Nicely toasted on both sides. Yes, brisket tacos. My masterpiece. Only on Tuesday Kitchen with Shelly. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I do is put a little butter in my skillet. Alright. And I lay my taco shells on my flat skillet. I like to work with two at a time. So, a little more butter because they're butter tortillas. So I gotta make sure I get a lot of butter in my tortillas. Make sure my temperature is right. Alright. See how the butter melts in. It's on the tortilla and the tortilla be on the butter. Let it cook a little bit. Yes, Tuesday Kitchen with Shelly. I'll flip it. See I got a little brown. Flip this tortilla. And then brown like that one. So I'm gonna add a little more butter with it. So you gotta have a lot of butter. And the type of butter I do use is salts. The type of butter I use is this sweet cream butter. Salted. Remember, salted sweet cream butter. You get at your local grocery stores. Salted sweet cream butter. Alright, let's get this tortilla. Most people say yes, it's Tex-Mex, but it's Soul Tex. That's what I call it, Soul Tex. Alright, so I'm gonna do my meat. Placing on both. Nice portion of meat. And I'm gonna do my cheese. Nice portion of cheese. And my cilantro. Just a bit of cilantro in both. And you add the secret sauce. Yeah, I might have put a little too much because of actually my secret sauce. It don't even take that much. We add a little more butter. Yep, more butter. Way too much sauce on it. side. Like to put that butter on the side. Golden brown. Add a little more butter in. That thing is golden brown. On the side. Oh yeah. Alright. We want to golden brown. We don't want to burn. And for my customers, man, you know, burnt. Nothing burnt. Good enough. Oh yeah. Alright. Again, whatever came out, going back in. Whatever came out, going back in. Alright. Look at my famous brisket tacos with our secret sauce. Brisket tacos. Tuesday Kitchen. Let's go. Alright, stay tuned for the recipe. Stay tuned for the cookbook. And I can't give you my secret recipe, so you're going to have to use your own taco sauce at your preference. Sounding out, Shelly, the Tuesday Kitchen. Starting to forget.